Angela, I'm going to show you how to upload the pictures to Google Drive. In Google Drive, you can send hundreds of pictures at the same time. It's very easy. So I'll show you. Step one, go to your Gmail. So I'm going to go to my Gmail right here. This is my Gmail. So this is my Gmail account. So you have to get there. Step two, find these little squares. You see right here, look at here in the right hand side. You see these little squares? Find those squares and click there. Once you click there, you have to find Drive. You see, here is Drive. Click in Drive, and then this will open. This will open right here. See, these are different folders. These are the folders that I have put pictures and I have sent to my clients. But the thing that you have to do is you have to go here to the left on the top and click New to create a new folder. So new folder, and click on folder, and now let's put Wangela, okay, and create. So I create the folder. Now this is the folder right here. Look, right here is the folder. So now double click to open this, and here this is your folder with no pictures. Now all you have to do is drag the pictures to this folder. And so let's see, right here it's one picture. Right here is another picture. What else do I have? Right here I have another picture. So here you can put all the pictures that you want. Okay, so far I have 4 pictures. Okay, you can put 200 or 1,000 pictures if you want. And then what you have to do is you go back to My Drive, select your folder, Wangela, just give one click, then come right here. Look, come right here to this person, to the right hand side on the top. Right here it says plus one person. So now you can share that folder, the folder that you created, you can share with me. Come right here and click share. Okay, you click there, and here, look here, it says get link. So you're going to click right here in the area where it says get link, click there, and then anyone with a link can view. No, I don't want to view, I want to edit. I want to have access to the pictures to download and everything. So you want to change that from view to edit. Anyone with a link can edit. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, and then you're going to say copy the link. Copy the link. You copy the link, and then you go back to your email. And in the email, you're going to send to Tino, info Tino for a video from Wangela. And then you're going to paste. The link right here. Now, okay, good. See, this is the link. In this link is all the pictures that it is, that you put it there. So it's very easy. You send me, and then once I get this link, I have access to all the pictures instead of sending me one by one and everything. So it's very, very easy. I'm going to explain one more time because I know it can be a little bit confusing, and I'm going to make it easier, hopefully. Let's see. First step. Step 1. Go to your Gmail account. Step 2. Find the little squares. Step 3. Click Drive. Step 4. Click New and create a folder. Name your folder Wangela and create, right? Step 5. Double click the folder that you created to open it. Okay. Step 6. Take the pictures and drag it to the folder. Very simple. Take them and drag it to the folder. Step 7. Go back to your drive. Go back to your drive. Locate your folder. In this case is Wangela. Select that by clicking once. Then go here to the right hand side to this person right here. There's like a little icon of a person. And now you're going to be clicking there to share. So click there, share. Okay. Step 8, change change the conditions of how you sharing those pictures. You can share so people can only see it, or you can share so people can also see and download them. So in this case, I'm going to change from view, people can view, to people can edit. That's what I need. I need to edit. Okay, and then copy link. Step 9, go back to your email and write a message to Tino, and don't forget to place the link. Okay, that's all. That's all you need to do. All right, Wangela, I hope to see the picture soon. Take care. Bye-bye.